Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I'm going to talk on pat21.com reviews. Friends, this video will help you know whether this website is legit or a scam one. Also, this is not our website, and if you have never ordered anything from this site, this unbiased review will help you deciding the answer to this question, should I buy from here or not? Also friends, if you have experienced any fraud over this site, then watch this video till end as I will share a way to get your money back. Well, without wasting much time, let's get started with our video and find out what this website is actually offering to the customers. As you scroll down guys, you will come to know that Pat21 is selling coronavirus medical supplies. All the products this website is selling are friendly, hygienic. You can find here KN95 masks, breathing veil mask, masks for children, designer mask, straw mouth flower masks, and many other superhero masks for children. Guys, you will find variety of mask option available on this site. Talking about the payment modes next, when you scroll down, you will find here the paying options. By clicking on the paying options, guys, as you can see, the website will not take you anywhere, but according to my knowledge which I have gained about the website, they are accepting payments through debit card, credit card and PayPal payment as well. Well guys, talking about the shipping and return, here you can see that they have mentioned a proper shipping and return policy where they have written that if any item is valued at $100 or more, ensure the shipment for the value of the merchandise and ship your return with a signature shipping services. Make sure that if the items are valued over $35, then it need to be returned to the seller with a trackable shipping services. And if the item is below $35, then you have to send the confirmation through USPS delivery. Well guys, you need to note all these informations, but make sure before you order anything from this website, you are aware of all the legitimacy points required for the website. Guys, before talking about the legitimacy checkpoints, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel, as this will boost our spirit to make more such videos for your assistance. Well friends, as I have researched a lot about this site, I have come up with most of the cons related to the site. Like guys, this website has a low Alexa traffic. Also, the website is less than 6 months old. Plus guys, the website age is only 4.5 months. Though the website has a HTTPS connection and a SSL certificate, it does not make sure that the website is not a suspicious one. Guys, the website does not have any customer review, which also state that it is not popular among the users. Talking about the About Us page, let's find out more information here in the About Us page. Guys, in the About Us page, a lot of information about the pandemic coronavirus and the situation related to the medical supply shortage is mentioned here. They have mentioned that how they are helping people and collecting resources so that it can be flown properly everywhere and people should not face the shortage of masks. They have also mentioned that they are joining hands with people, and if you have medical supplies or you know where more medical supplies can be found, you can join hands with them. Guys, but the most important thing here is to find out the contact details so that you can contact them in case of emergency. Here, when you click on the contact details option, you will not find any of the details about the company. The only way to contact them is to fill this form and submit it, which is not a relevant way of contacting, guys. Return and refund policy is also given in the shipping policy only, guys. where I have already told you about the returns. So guys, overall, after going through the website properly, I have come to know that this website does not have relevant information about its legitimacy, and it is still a suspicious site because of lack of customer reviews and contact details. Well guys, there are many other websites which can be chosen for buying masks. So I request you all to avoid this website till it is not gaining much popularity among online shoppers. Guys, I hope you have liked the video. For this, I would request you all to comment on this video, and the most important thing, if you are looking for the money back option, check our links given in the description box. Guys, we read all your comments and every comment is valuable for us, so keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed our channel yet, subscribe it today. Be informed, be safe. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.